Okay, the page that we're working on next comes from our unit, the Twin Club. This is page 6, and it's about putting things in alphabetical order. Well, if you've ever noticed that the contacts in your phone are in alphabetical order, so you can find them easily, words in a dictionary are in alphabetical order. It's just a way of organizing to find things quickly. In fact, my students' names are in alphabetical order so I can find you easily. Probably the easiest thing to do is make yourself an alphabet, just like I've made here. I wrote it in a strip in order. Then I don't have to keep singing the alphabet song to myself, and I can figure this out easily. So let's take a look. Our directions say, put each group of words in alphabetical order. Pick a word in the parentheses, that's these two things, that comes between the two words shown. So we've got the word moon and we've got the word space. And one of these words, Pat or West, fits in between moon and space. If you were looking in the dictionary or something that was in alphabetical order, what would you find between moon and space? Well, I've got my strip to help me out, and I see M is here, and I see S is here. And of course, moon starts with an M, space starts with an S. I've got to see if Pat or West fits between moon and star. So I'm looking at M, N, O, P. Oh, Pat starts with a P, Q, R, S. So I know the word is Pat. West would be way down here. It starts with a W. That's way out of the way past S. So it doesn't fit in between M and S. So what we're going to do is we are going to write the word Pat, because P fits in between moon and space. Let's look at our second one. The words are sun and waves. And up here we've got the words cup and van. Okay, let's find S for sun and W for waves. And what do I have? S-T-U-O-V. Yep. V's in between S and W. If I look, C is way at the beginning of the alphabet. So it's not even close to sun and waves. All right, next two words, comet and star. And I've got the words block and pest. Comet's here, and S is way down here. I've got a lot of letters there in between. But right away, I can eliminate B, because B is not going to be in between S and C. It comes before C. So I know my word is going to be pest. And just to check it out, there's C, there's S, and guess what? Right there is the P. Between the C and the S is the P. So we're going to write the word pest. Okay, next one, I've got ice and tides. I'm looking at that first letter. And the words that might fit between are red and zip. So let's find the I right here and the T right here. J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-O-R. Red starts with an R. And there it is in between the I and the T. All right, so there it is. And if we look way out here, Z is at the end of the alphabet. Z is after T. We're looking for in between. All right, the second section of this tells us that we have to write the words in alphabetical order. And we have to use the first letter of each word to help us out. So you can draw a line under it. I'm highlighting it so I know K, M, and H. And I've got to figure out what comes first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at them and I'm going to write down 1, 2, 3. And that way I know when I go back, I don't have to keep looking them up. So A, B, C, D, E, still not there. F, G, oh, there's an H. That's my first one. I, J, K, okay, for kite. There's my next one. L, M, L, there's my M for many. And you're just going to write those in order on the line. So the first word in alphabetical order is have. It starts with an H. The next one that starts with a K is kite. And finally, the third one is many. Starts with an M. Let's go to our next set. We've got live, sled, and find. Let's get my handy dandy alphabet out again. A, B, C, D, E, O, F for find. G, H, I, J, K. Oh, there's an L. That one's number 2. M, N, O, P, Q, R. There's my S word, sled, way down towards the end. So I know what order they go in. And sled. Okay, let's go to number 7. We've got the word between, about, and come. Oh my gosh, look at this. I see a pattern here. Okay, A, yep, there's a word that starts with A. B, oh, a word that starts with B. C, a word that starts with C. A, B, C. I'm going to put these in A, B, C order, alphabetical order. So we've got about. We've got the word between. And we've got the word come. Let's go to our last one. We've got four words to put in order. Mop, job, went, let. So let's start here. Any A words? No. B, C, D, E, F, G, no. H, nope. I, nope. J, oh, I see a J word, job. K, oh, there's an L word, let. M, oh, I've got one right there too, mop. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. There it is, finally, for went. Okay, when I write them on the line, I want to write them in order. So my first one is job, let, mop, and finally went. Yeah, if you can create an alphabet strip and write down your letters in order when you sing the ABC song, this makes it a lot easier to see how it can be in between. So if we had the word queen and we had the word zipper, you could see right away that T, if I had the word tiger, T would be right in between Q and Z. So this is putting things in alphabetical order.